So what are you guys doing out here, out back?
Digging and jackhammering this concrete slab, cleaning out all the dirt. We're trying to find the, pretty sure it's the sewage pipe that is on the other side of this wall. And we're digging out a hole, if you can see here. So it's gonna run under the house and go into the house from outside. We're gonna run a water line and a sewer line through here. So we need to clear all this out. And that's what I'm working on.
Alright, so we just finished jackhammering out the base for this door. We have to do that because on the other side of this wall here in the crawl space, we're going to be putting a closet in the bath and a furnace. So we're going to be pouring concrete, it sounds like, on the other side here. That's going to become level with this floor in here. So yeah, we got this jackhammered out. That's our next step from here.
So we're doing the black plastic for the edges covering everything, and we want to got some duct tape and tape it. So yeah, I can give you all my notes.
So right now I'm working on getting the supports in for the crack in between the plywood upstairs, and so I'm cutting them out, putting them in, time to glue.
So Cameron and I are waiting for them to finish up these 4 outside spots. So we're just gonna try and go through and get the gaps in between the middle of the boards the same. Use the chalk line to mark where these are. Right here. Make sure the screws are lined up. We're gonna use the chalk line so that way they're all the same. If people notice that they aren't. This guy. Max Jones here with Cody Woodruff. Cody Woodruff, how you doing? Doing good. How are you, Max? Doing pretty good today. How would you say the weather's doing? It could be better, but it could be worse. So I'm not too upset. That's all we got. That's all we get.